about to get crazy with our brows. Are you guys ready? Are you ready?
Fuck, let's get it then.
Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so today we're in a little bit of a different spot. If you saw my home decor video, then you know where we're at already. This is my bed, okay? I didn't want to move all my filming setup to my filming area, so I'm like, you know what? We're doing it live, okay?
Do it live!
So on today's episode of I'll Go Ahead and Try It First so you guys know what's good, I am going to be doing brow lamination. And you may or may not have heard of this before, but it is definitely trending right now. It is something that I've been seeing everywhere. So many beautiful before and afters. So I'm like, all right, I gotta get this done and I gotta record the whole thing and tell you guys what's up with it, okay? So luckily I was contacted by a very talented friend of mine, Leandra. And if you don't know, and if you haven't seen it already, I had a lash lift and tint done on my lashes by her. And it was pretty incredible. If you guys don't remember, feel free to check out that video. I'll leave it somewhere in the vicinity so you can click on it when you're done. This right here is what they turned out like, but I am going to first insert all the footage showing you the actual process, and then I'll go ahead and tell you what I think of it.
Why do I look like I'm made out of Play-Doh? Like the worst angle I've ever seen of myself in my life. Look at me, look at me. What? I look like a teddy bear. Anyway, she is just perming my brows right now. She's putting the wrap on there to have them set, putting them into place. I'm not gonna give you guys all the technical terms because I'm not gonna be out here acting like I'm a licensed cosmetologist when I'm not. I'll leave the expertise to her, but I'll just tell you kind of what was going on here. But after all the brow hairs were in place, she went ahead and did the tinting on them to make them nice and dark. And she said I had some blonde hairs in between, so it made everything nice and dark. I don't know why I look like this. I look like the corpse from Pretty Little Liars.
Got a secret, can you keep it?
But as you can see, they're already looking so much darker. I don't know why the front of my brow hair is like that. Like, it's a little piece missing. It's been like that. I must have just cut them too short when I did them last time, but I do lay them to where you can't tell at all. I just comb them down on the top to the side, and she is waxing my brows right now. This is my first time ever having my brows waxed. I never get my brows done. Like, I do my own brows since day one. Like, I've been on, okay? I've been doing it. But this literally felt like nothing, honestly. I don't know why this looks so relaxing though, like ASMR unibrow waxing. That should be a video. For real though. Look at me. So chill. Oh, we are almost to the final product. So when I wake up in the morning, sometimes they do look a little crazy just because they are permed, so they're kind of flat down, or they're however they want to be. But if you take a little spoolie with water and just place them where you want, they stay all day long. You don't have to use any product. I'm living.
So here's the next day. Very simple because I just got out of the shower, but this is how my brows are looking. Honestly magnificent, if I do say so myself. Everything else, I don't know, but these brows though, I literally just combed them up and then over a little bit, and they are perfectly in place, ready to go to the store. And I washed them, I took a shower, everything like that, and they are completely dark still and dyed, so I'm really, really, really happy. Let me go ahead and insert the before and afters real quick right here. Crazy. So just from the footage itself, you might be thinking, okay, that's a little bit too intense for me, or like they look a little bit too thick for my liking, or they're too fanned up. But I've seen these before and after pictures, and for some reason I thought that the brows were in like a tight hold, like if they were like gelled or something like that. But they're not. They're literally so soft. So if for some reason you don't vibe with the shape of them, like that they're so fanned up, you can just take and you can run a little spoolie over the top and flatten them out a little bit. It's literally so easy. So like she was saying, I am gonna have to kind of comb them in the morning just because they are permed now. But literally this is no brow product. I do not have a single brow product on my brows right now. The only stipulation is that I cannot wet them for 24 hours. So I try to be really careful with my makeup, and I'm gonna be really careful removing it tonight. Like, they look hella thickums when they're really not. Hella dark when they're really not. I was blessed today, okay? And the entire little procedure here lasts 8 weeks, so it's gonna be on there for a little while. You'll have a nice fly brow for about 8 weeks. As far as pricing, obviously it varies depending on where you go, but I'm gonna leave her link in the description. In case you're in Arizona somewhere, hit her up. She's fire. She does so many different services. She's bomb, okay? Highly recommend. So literally just carving them with a little bit of concealer will have them looking right, okay? Right and tight. And as far as me trimming off the ends of my brows, which you guys probably saw as well in like my shaving my brows to look like a model video that I did, and I actually like the way that it looks with the shape. I think it goes well together and it still accentuates that shape that I shaved. It accentuates the shape that I shaved into my eyebrows, okay? Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below in the comments if you've tried this before or if you tried anything like it, like whether it be microblading, lash tinting, brow tinting, like any of it. I just want to know what you guys think about these like fly little beauty services that exist now. It's so crazy and it's kind of awesome, all the different things that are out there right now. So let me know if you tried them before down below in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. I will wait because I expect to see you in the comments of my next video, okay? I'll wait. Alright you guys, that's it for this video and I'll see you next time. Bye.